Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming a stable connection and at least 100 MB of free space. This prevents download failures. Once done, unlock your device and open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You don't need extra accounts. Use the store tied to your device. Search for Telegram and tap the app page. Make sure you're on the Telegram listing, then look for the update button. If you see open instead, the app is already current and you can skip to the final checks. Tap Update and watch the progress indicator. The percentage tells you when the download finishes. You may be asked to allow permissions or confirm installation. Grant only what's required and read any permission requests quickly. If on Android, background data or battery saver can pause the process. Temporarily disable those if the download stalls. Once the file finishes downloading, the installer runs automatically. Don't interrupt it. Make sure installation. Open Telegram and go to Settings, then About to confirm the new version. This shows you the version number so you know the update applied. If the app still feels old or features are missing, force close the app and relaunch. This refreshes caches. If installation failed, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data, clear the App Store or Play Store cache, and try updating again. If you still hit errors, restart your device. A reboot clears transient issues and usually fixes stubborn update problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.